Well, this could be like a 200-year flood down here at Huntington. There's quite a bit of white water downriver, but let's first go up and see the scope of this thing. Oh, yes, it's really overflowing both the walls, and you can see the rush of the current here. There, we'll get up here a little ways where it's really something. You could do some whitewater rafting. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen this creek quite so high. So here we go up here around the corner. And look at that. Wow. Moving pretty fast. You don't want to fall in. Right. Okay. Thank you for your attention.